Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we have this question 9 into 2 power x minus 1 equal to 2 into 3 power x, and we will solve this question for the value of x. So there are two methods. We will try both the methods. Let's start from method 1. So first of all, we can write this 9 as 3 power 2, and then we will divide both sides by 3 power 2 like this, divided by 3 power 2 over here and divided by 3 power 2 over here. Now this 3 power 2 will cancel this 3 power 2, so we will have then 2 power x minus 1, and here we have 2 into 3 power x, this value, and we will send this 3 power 2 over here in numerator, so it will become 3 power minus 2, and with this we will divide both sides by 2, this by 2, and now this 2 will cancel this 2, so then we have this 2 power x minus 1, and with this we will send this 2 in the numerator, so this will become 2 power minus 1, and here we have 3 power x into 3 power minus 2. So now we can write this value as 2 power x minus 1 according to exponent rule, and similarly we can write this as 3 power x minus 2. So this will become 2 power x minus 2, and this will become 3 power x minus 2. And now we will divide both sides by 3 power x minus 2. These both sides of the equation we will divide by 3 power x minus 2. So we have this, we have divided, and now this 3 power x minus 2 will cancel this 3 power x minus 2. So now here we have a 2 power x minus 2 divided by 3 power x minus 2, which is equal to 1. Here we have 1, and now we will write this x minus 2 in the power on both these values, because both these values have the same common power, so we can write this equation like this, which is equal to 1. And now we can write this one as 2 divided by 3 all power 0, because anything power 0 equal to 1 except 0, because if we write over here 0, so 0 power 0 is indeterminate form, so except 0 anything power 0 equal to 1, therefore we can write 2 divided by 3 over here. And now we have the same basis, so therefore we can compare these powers. So x minus 2 equal to 0, and now we will send this minus 2 on other side of the equation, so x equal to 2 is the solution of our question. And now let's try method 2. In method 2 we can write this 2 power x minus 1 as 2 power x into 2 power minus 2, and now we will send this 2 power minus 1 into denominator, so this will become 9 into 2 power x divided by 2, and 2 into 3 power x. And the next step we will multiply this 2 with this 2, so this will become 4, and then we will send this 3 power x here, so this will become 2 power x divided by 3 power x, and similarly we will send 9 over here, so it will become 4 divided by 9. And now we can write this 4 divided by 9 as 2 power 2, and we can write this 9 as 3 power 2. So because 2 power is common, so we can write 2 divided by 3 all power 2. And now again the bases are same, so therefore we will compare the power, which is x equal to 2. So again we have the solution x equal to 2. So it means that we have x equal to 2 for the given question, And now let's verify it as well. So this was our given question, and now we will put this x equal to 2 over here. So let's put it. So now we have 9 into 2 power 2 minus 1, and here 2 into 3 power x, so 2 into 3 power 2, and now this will become 9 into 2, because 2 minus 1 equal to 1, and generally we do not write power 1. And here 2 into 3 squared or 3 into 3 equal to 9. So 9 times 2 equal to 18, and 2 times 9 equal to 18. So 18 equal to 18. It means that our value is verified, and x is the solution of the given question. So I hope you will have understand the solution of this question by these two methods. Anyway, and anyhow, if you have any kind of question regarding this question, this equation, so you can ask me comments in comment section. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Take care.